After a fall, the Samsung Note 10 Plus has no signal. Today we are going to see an easy repair that can be very profitable. At the end of the video I'll tell you the price. The important thing is to pay attention to the details to quickly diagnose a device and avoid wasting time on unnecessary steps. Look here on the back cover, this small gold fragment. It seems to be a piece of antenna, a connector or something similar. If I hadn't noticed this detail, I would have wasted much more time taking measurements on the motherboard and similar tasks. The impact has broken some part, so let's find out which one it is and how to fix it. Now let's move to the microscope to observe it in detail. With the magnification, you can clearly see that it is a fragment of an FPC connector. This type of connector is crucial for the internal connectivity of the device, and its damage can explain why the phone has lost its signal. To begin, we are going to remove the upper antenna. This will allow us to remove the battery connector without problems. I tried to keep this video as short as possible to not waste your time. As you know, nowadays time is gold and efficiency is the key in repairs. We continue by removing the audio module to locate the damaged connector. This process requires delicacy, as the audio module is connected to several sensitive components. Here is the damaged connector. It stands out because of its yellow color and belongs to a thin flexible cable. These types of connectors are quite delicate and can easily break if the device suffers a strong impact. Let's take a closer look at it under the microscope. As you can clearly see under the microscope, this is the missing fragment. The impact broke it and it got stuck to the back cover. The important lesson from this video is the importance of a good visual inspection. Detecting these small details can save us a lot of time and effort in the repair process. Now it's time to replace this connector with a new one. The cost of this repair was 69 euros. It may seem like a lot of money, but remember that business has many expenses and taxes to pay. Let me know in the comments how many dollars you charge in each country for a similar repair. We are not going to waste time showing the entire replacement process, as a few days ago we uploaded a video with a very similar procedure. If you need to see it, here is the link to the corresponding video. Finally, here we can see the repaired device. It has regained its signal and we can make calls without any problem. This demonstrates that a detailed inspection and a correct diagnosis are essential for a successful repair. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe for more quality videos.
Para atenderte mejor necesitamos identificarte. Por favor, pulsa o di el número de tu documento de identidad.
I am Leonardo and see you in the next video. Bye bye.